Alright, so in this video, I drive the car around the yard instead of down the road because my brakes are still a little bit, well, basically they do what the hell they want to do. They either work or you either have a great pedal or nothing. And pumping it don't affect anything, so I've got to figure that out. But in this video, I get the seats. You can see it here. The seats are in it, front and back. Door panels are in the back seat because that's the only way I can get out of the car. You see me halfway fail at trying to back it in here. You see the car move. So instead of a first drive video, it's going to have to wait until the car is actually done. I've got a little over a month to get this thing painted. But I wanted to continue making videos. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so I basically decided that driving it around the field will have to do as a first drive. Sorry, I can't shut the door. I can't get back out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright, so I'm backing it in the building. I figured I'd record that. They got stuck on the headers. You don't want to be in here. You can kind of see how I got it in here. Posse traction works. Probably would have came in here a little better if it didn't have 410, 411 rear end. I'm trying to get it in a little bit further and straight. Hopefully I should get the watch and my phone don't fall off the table. shifter right now. It's only got the shifter, the stick part is took off, so I kind of had to kill it to get it out of reverse. See my shifter, 150 on the temp and 50 pound oil pressure. All right, so I kind of wonder if my headers would have caught the car if that tire hadn't been down a little bit. But anyway. So, I know I had promised in my last video that the car would be drove down the road on the next video, but it's got the ride in it in the yard, and you got to see me get stuck trying to back it in the building, and you got to see it move around under its own power. So in my next video, I want to start doing the body work on this car. I've got right at 5 weeks to get this car painted for a car show I wanted to go to. I backed it in because Dad wanted to mess with the hood and he wanted to be able to get back from it. So until next time, or maybe in a few minutes, I ain't sure. See you in a few. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and tell me what you think. Anyway, in the next few days, I'll start making, I guess, a few bodywork videos. So stay tuned for that mess, right? Anyway, God bless, and see you next time.